We guide you through how to change your Microsoft Teams email address. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Microsoft Teams on your desktop or browser and sign into your account. Then click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage Account. From there, you'll be redirected to your Microsoft account settings page. Next, go to your info or account info section and look for your current email address. Click Edit Account Info and select the option to add a new email alias. Enter the new email address you want to use, then verify it through the conversation or confirmation email Microsoft sends you. After verification, return to the alias settings and click Make Primary and decide your new email address. Once it becomes your primary alias, you can remove the old email if you no longer need it. And finally, sign out of Microsoft Teams and log back in using your new email address to make sure changes are fully updated.